What is the rule of thirds? The rule of thirds are imaginary grid lines in your frame that you should use to compose your subject. And if you're wondering what it looks like, here's a picture. But how does the rule of thirds work? Well, there's 4 intersecting lines, 2 going vertical and 2 going horizontal. And for the best composition possible, you're supposed to put your subject at an intersection or on a line. And the most common way of doing this is lining up one of those intersecting points with the subject's eye. But why should you follow this rule? Well, because these points is where the eye naturally falls to within an image. So what that means is that when somebody's shown an image, they're going to instinctively look right at one of those points. So it's in your best interest to put your subject at one of those points. And no, you don't have to follow this rule all the time. However, if you do break it, you should know why you're breaking it. Because if you don't have any rhyme or reason why you're breaking it, then you're just going to end up with a crappy image. So do you understand the rule of thirds now? Let me know in the comments below. And that's going to be it for today's 1-minute photo tip. If you liked this video and want to see more 1-minute photo tips, please follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and always remember to capture great moments.